Okay, hi, hello. This is a terrible opening. All right, we're just gonna go. Hello, folks. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a lovely day with yourselves today. So this morning when I woke up, I just decided, you know, I'm off today. I might as well just go ahead and start a video. I feel good. I feel pretty. And I said, okay, let's get your shit together and let's get out there. Today we're going to be driving around running a couple errands with me, as well as pulling a small little prank, just a tiny one on my oh so beloved MANS. We're out of toilet paper. Lex, can you go to Target? Can you get us some toilet paper? Simple enough. It's a simple little task. This is a little thing. I'll get us some toilet paper, all right. Da-na-na, da-da-na, da-na-na. Okay. We have reached our destination. I'm gonna need a carriage. It's my home. Bye-bye, Target. Now that we have our ammo out back there, chilling in the back seat, we got our ammo. This traffic situation is terrible. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? There's like several cars blocking you. What are you all? None of you know what you're doing. I wasn't honking. I wasn't honking at you. I wasn't honking at you. I'm sorry. I'm tiny. So if I start yelling at somebody or having any type of road rage at all they do is take one look at me and they're like, honey, get the f away from me. And there's so many lights. What is happening? No one knows what they're doing. Traffic lights everywhere. No one knows which one to follow. Oh God. So now that we're home, we're gonna go ahead and start this. Just gonna go ahead and yeah. Hello.
Hello.
I went and got toilet paper for you like you wanted.
Oh, good.
It's in the bathroom.
Oh no. Jesus Christ.
You're welcome.
Nice touch.
Don't. You're ruining the masterpiece. So how are you gonna pee? Don't go in the sink.
Don't ask questions you don't want to
Don't go in the sink, please. My masterpiece, no! All right, go ahead, clean it up.